To use the Clipboard Edge panel for faster copy and paste on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to add the clipboard panel to the Edge panel. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Display. Tap Display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Edge Panels. Here you have to make sure that the Edge panel is turned on. If it's still off, you can tap the on off switch to turn it on. Tap Panels to open the list of available panels. Next, look for Clipboard and check the box to enable it. Now, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open the Edge panel. Swipe through the panels until you see the Clipboard panel. This panel shows your most recent copied text and images. You can tap any items in the list to instantly paste it wherever you are typing. As a note, the Clipboard Edge panel is a quick way to access anything you have recently copied, text or image, without needing to reopen or dig through menus. It's perfect for multitasking, productivity, or just speeding up your everyday typing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.